Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can duplicate site in editor. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here on site, and then you're gonna see duplicate site right here, and you're gonna be here in manage editor X, and you can simply my site copy one and duplicate it. So yeah, now I just check it out, and voila, here we got it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.